Everybody, and welcome to my channel. And today we're doing this awesome recipe, which is a dessert, super easy to make, delicious and super fast. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, we'll need to make the batter. Let's add 400 grams of flour, 120 grams of butter, and let's mix it. Also, you can do it with your hands. Now add this mixture into a big bowl. Into 100 milliliters of yogurt, let's add some soda. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. And then mix it all together. Now let's add the yogurt to the batter. And some salt. And let's mix it all together with a spoon. Now let's let it sit with some plastic paper for about 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's do the other ingredients. Let's mince 150 grams of walnuts, 120 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of vanilla. Now let's add 50 grams of melted butter and let's mix it all together. When the butter is done, let's separate them into some little squares and let's prepare the cookies. We have to roll them out and now let's cut them into squares for about 10 centimeters each. On each square, let's add 2 tablespoons of filling. And now let's roll it, and let's do this process with all the cookies. Out of this batter, I got 28 pieces of dessert. Now let's place them on a baking paper on a baking sheet and let's send them into the oven at 180 degrees for about 20 or 25 minutes. Now when it's all done, let them cool down and add some sugar powder. And it's all ready to try and fall in love. It's delicious, super easy to make, and very fast dessert. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.